Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the Wi-Fi speed test comparison between the Moto H20 versus Realme X1 Max device. So I'm getting plenty of comments regarding the Wi-Fi speeds in the Moto H20. Is it kind of really good or not after recent software update? That was my main intention of making this video. And during this process, I'll try to use a 2.4 GHz as a Wi-Fi network, and let's see which phone will be having what kind of speeds comparing between these both phones. And in this video, I'll try to even include the download speed test as well, downloading at same time, same game, and just checking out which phone can actually download this game faster. So first, let me show you exactly what is the Wi-Fi network which I connected between these both phones. So right now I'll be connecting to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. As you can see here clearly friends, 2.4 GHz, exactly same Wi-Fi it's connected. And right now after this Realme UI 3.0 update, what has happened in the Realme X and Max is that the transfer link speed got slightly decreased. So before it used to be the 300 Mbps of transfer link speed. So after the Realme UI 3.0 update, the transfer link speed got decreased from to 144 Mbps. That's something you should definitely understand. So I'm just trying to mention to you whether it will impact. I think it may not impact the results, but still I just want to let you know. And in the Moto H20, the transfer link speed is about close to 104 Mbps, as you can see. So overall, even the Moto H20 also got 144 kind of Mbps in terms of the transfer link speed. So both are exactly kind of similar kind of transfer link speed. Now let me try to clear all the apps from the background, so there is no running applications at this moment. Completely cleared. Let me try to clear everything. Everything is pretty clear. And now let's do the speed test first, and then I'll try to do the download test. So let's do the speed test at same time. And one more quick note. So what's happening is that the Wi-Fi receptions are not that great in the Moto H20. If you try to look at the Wi-Fi bars between these both phones, as you can clearly see, friends, it's very strong, the Realme X and Max, but not the Moto H20. Moto H20, one point is missing exactly, as you can see. Even the Realme X and Max just now it did miss a little bit, but again it came to full regarding the Wi-Fi reception space, as you can see exact. So Wi-Fi was completely full at this moment. And let me change the positions as well. So you may think the position with the phone which has got right side will be having better signals. There is nothing like that. So still the same. As you can see friends, I'm trying to show you all the possibilities what's happening. And now let me check the speeds of individual smartphones as well. Let's see what is the speed the Realme X and Max can actually reach at this moment. Right now Realme X and Max is going up to the speeds of 71 and stopping. But before the update, before the Realme UI 3.0 update, the phone used to go up to 1890 Mbps as well. But after this update, I was getting about 70-75 Mbps of speeds. But usually with the 2.4 GHz, the phones can actually reach up to 90 Mbps as well. So let's check out in the Moto H20 what's happening in this device. As you can see, the Moto H20 speeds at this point exactly. Same network, both phones are connected friends. So as you can see, 2.4 GHz and 2.4 GHz. Same Wi-Fi network but different speeds. You may think there's something wrong with the Moto H20, but I'll try to show you another screenshot as well which I have taken. So I'll try to explain to you friends what's happening in the Moto H20, and what I did notice personally is that the phone can actually get the high speeds. There's nothing wrong, but as you can see, the phone did reach up to 93 Mbps as speeds as well, but only under one condition. The Wi-Fi signals should be really very strong. If the Wi-Fi signals are very strong and full, then the phone can actually reach high speeds. Yes, using 2.4 GHz only I got this kind of speeds in the Moto H20. So right now the signals are not that strong, right? It's not that strong, not full completely. That might be the reason why we are getting slightly low internet speeds in the Moto H20 device at this moment. So right now as you can see. So that's the one thing which I did observe. As long as I am near the Wi-Fi router and where the signals are really full, I was able to get full speed. So when I came to my studio room environment, and I'm getting this kind of speeds. But it's quite kind of more than what used to be the before. So in the beginning, the speed used to be, I think, close to sometimes 25 Mbps. I think sometimes 39 Mbps, this kind of speed before the update. You can check the Wi-Fi logo and Wi-Fi speed as well. But right now it seems to be kind of okay, I would say, regarding the Wi-Fi speeds. But let's do the download test comparison between these both phones. Let's download at same time. Shadow Fight 4, let's download. So this is a game which I thought of downloading at same time. So both phones I did click at same time the download, and now we'll be able to observe exactly. So which phone actually downloads faster? So right now the download speeds are slightly fast in the Moto H20 at this moment, downloading at same time. So at same time, these are the results. Individual test I'll try to do in a bit, but right now again the Realme X and Max did kind of speed up a little bit. It's kind of neck to neck between these both phones. Moto H20, yeah, I think it was able to finish faster. Moto H20, yes. So Moto H20 did finish slightly faster, but installing, yes, it finished. Now let's do one more thing. Let's do the individual download test. So first let's try in the Realme X and Max. When it says installing, I'll try to click the stopwatch. Yes. Individual speeds will be slightly more higher, okay? Individual. So that's what I'm trying to show you. So right now it's pretty high. So 10 seconds. So it took only 10 seconds for 104 MB to finish completely, okay? In the Realme X and Max device. Let's check out in this device, in the Moto H20. So right now it's pending, yeah, installing. Now let's see how much time the Moto H20 gonna take. You will get the proof exactly what's happening at this moment. Try to look at the Wi-Fi signal. It's kind of decreasing. The more the Wi-Fi signal decrease, the less speeds you will be waiting in the Wi-Fi. Right now, as you can see, this is the proof which we got exactly. So it took about 20 seconds of time. Same game, same Wi-Fi, same location. So these are the results which I got. So at this moment, I'm not sure whether the Moto can actually fix this issue or not, but you can see the Wi-Fi signal, it's kind of varying a lot, increasing. It went to 1 bar as well, even though other Realme X and Max has got full bar. But still, I hope that might be the reason why I'm getting slightly low internet speed. Not only me, even few users, they did mention the same thing. So that's the reason I thought of making a video. But touch issue problems got completely fixed in this device. Yes, there's no touch issue problems at this moment. It was pretty smooth and very smooth. It feels really smooth as well. Touch issues, no issues touch regarding problems, but Wi-Fi regarding maybe some users might still face this kind of problems. As I said, you can see the signals. As long as the signals are really full, you will get the really good Wi-Fi speeds. If the signals are very less, you won't get. So same location, other phones, they are having the pretty good high signals. For example, Realme X and Max, they do have very high signals and very strong strength. That's what I'm worried. After looking between this both, I try to look at the signal bar. Same Wi-Fi, but different signals we are getting. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this a quick comparison between the Wi-Fi speed test between these both phones. I hope you understand what my point is. And one more thing I forgot to mention, that sometimes the Realme X and Max can actually reach up to 90 Mbps as well. The speeds of the Wi-Fi. Sometimes it can actually go above 75. It's kind of reaching. So right now there is no Wi-Fi connected to no phone connected to the same Wi-Fi network. I did disable everything, as you can see. Only one phone is connected right now to the Wi-Fi router. So this is a Realme X and Max device. Now you can see the speeds, how the Realme X and Max is getting. Only one phone is connected to the router. Now we are getting about 90 Mbps of speeds. So same thing I'm going to do, friends. Even I'll try to disconnect the Realme X and Max, and I'll try to connect only Moto H20 to the Wi-Fi router just to check what's happening with the speeds. So right now this phone did reach up to 88 Mbps as well. So only one phone connected to the router, and now we got the speeds as well. Let me try to disconnect this Wi-Fi network, and let's open this Wi-Fi. So let's do the Moto H20 testing. So Moto H20 is a test. Only one phone connected to the Wi-Fi router at this moment. This is a Moto H20 only. So there's no phone connected other than Moto H20. Right now you can see the speeds. It's not even increasing again. So definitely, friends, having the full signals only, the Moto H20 will be having really better scores. Otherwise, you cannot get any kind of high results. In my unit, I'm not sure about other units, but based on the comments and feedback from the users, I was able to make this video. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and bye.